What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, November 19th, 2025. I'm Stacker Factor. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a few things to unbox. We got this one here and we got this here. Now, these three cases came in one really massive box. I actually thought it was something else. And so I opened it not realizing that it was silver. So this one I don't have a box, but I have not opened these or checked them out yet. Silver is up today about 1.3%. We're sitting at $51.28 at the time of filming. Gold is also up 0.25% to $4,077. And platinum is up 0.5% at $15.41. So good day for the metals, as was yesterday. But some kind of bad news. There is only a 33% chance of a December 10th rate cut. So we were up to like 78 or something like that not too long ago, a couple weeks ago. So now we're all the way down to 33% with the rest of the percentage odds being no change at all. So we're not going to get a hike, not going to get a cut. As of right now, that can obviously change. So let's get into a few of these boxes here. So my buying strategy has changed over the last month or so. I am not buying tubes or multiple tubes like crazy anymore because silver is not 30 bucks an ounce. We're sitting close to 52. So I've decided to try to find coins that, or rounds I should say, in this case, that I really like that I can get for just a little bit over spot, maybe anywhere in the $60 to $80 range. And that's why I've been collecting a lot of these Alex Jones coins, guys. I've been scooping these off eBay for great prices. And these are kind of controversial, but I love them. I just actually recently made a video showing off my entire collection, but I'm going to have to redo that video because I have a lot more of these coming. Now, a lot of people are probably going to call me stupid or foolish or tell me that I'm getting ripped off for buying these. But what people don't understand is there is a massive collector's market for these and a huge fan base for Alex Jones. And these are only going to become worth more in the future, in my opinion. I have my camera at a kind of strange angle, but I'm trying to get as close as I can to this beautiful round so you guys can see it. These are so cool. And these here were the second and third coins that Alex put out. Let me see if this one's going to be the first, and it is, and it comes with the original case. So there you go. I got all three of the first coins that he put out. This one has a little toning on it. I've actually never seen one with toning, so let me crack that out and show you guys. These are such beautiful coins. I forget who makes them. I don't know if it's Scottsdale or who, but just gorgeous, gorgeous. George Washington there. And here's where that tone was. A nice little tone on the top there. That's actually kind of cool looking. And yeah, three more of these to go into the collection. It's really nice to have the original box from the first one too. There we go. And the second package here, guys, should only be one coin or round, but let's bust it out. Here we go. Come on now. Come on now. I think I can get it without... no. That is tight up in there. One more try. Yes, come on now. Come on now. There we go, guys. I think I got it. Squirt it out. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. That was a struggle, but we got this. And we got another Tree of Liberty. That is the one with the skull. Man, these cases do not want to kick that little capsule out of there. Let me fix the wobbliness, get a good shot of this. Boom. There you guys go. It is kind of a rainy, overcasty day today, so I don't know how these shots are going to turn out, but they look pretty good from what I can see. This one has a little toning on it as well. But still, these would retail for, 100, 150 bucks, when Alex was selling them, depending on when you bought it. And so, yeah, to be able to snag these for under 100 off of eBay, especially since INFOWARS might have to rebrand, that would be awesome. I love having these collectible pieces. Sorry I keep bumping the camera today, guys. I have it slanted at an angle so you can see my face better. I normally have it down like this, but then you just get my chin, my nose cam. I am able to get better shots, though, when it's down like that. But yeah, 4 more ounces. I paid probably grand total of like maybe 350 for these 4, which isn't that much more than what 4 Eagles would cost you. I think 4 Eagles would probably cost you around 240 bucks right now. So I didn't do too bad. And like I said, I'm a collector. I got a whole bunch of these. I got more of them coming. I don't know why. I just like them. I'm an info warrior, so it's just part of my shtick, part of my collection, part of my stack, and it's silver, which is... Oh, sorry about that, guys. I bumped the button there that disconnected me, but yeah. That's going to do it for this vid, guys. I hope you guys like these 4 coins. I will do a full INFOWARS coin video again when the rest of them that I bought recently come in. And yeah, guys, have a great hump day. And as always, keep on stacking. This is Stacker Factor signing off.